Is this what you're looking for?
Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to organize your essential oils. From the most organized person. The most organized person. So if you've been oiling for quite some time, you might have what's known as a lot of oils. Because there's a lot of oils out there and you want to try them, right? So then you get a bunch of oils and you get more and more and more, and it's just a mess. So here are some easy tips to organize your essential oils. Tip number 1, place oils that you use, you can organize them by room. So say if you usually use lavender as part of like your daily routine, you can place it in the bathroom. If you usually use lemon in cooking and drinks and things, you can place that in the kitchen. Also, if you have oils that you diffuse in your bedroom, you can place them in your bedroom. So that's what I found to be a really helpful thing for organizing the oils. So you don't have to keep running up and down stairs or back and forth to rooms to like go get what you use the most in that room. Tip number 2. I really like these little stair stack thingies that Young Living sells. See? Oh. Makes it easy to see most of your oils. And they look organized too. So you can just have them out in the open. That's what the 5 milliliter bottles look like on it. And here's the 15 ml. That's what the 15 ml look like. Here's what the 5 milliliters look like on it. So these thingies are meant to lock together. Like for instance, let's see. There we go. There we go. See? They lock together. Well, they don't lock together. It'll fall apart. But, you know, if it's just sitting in a cupboard, it'll be fine. It'll stay together in the cupboard. Oh, there it is. It locks together. And now we have 4 racks with which to store our essential oils on. Tip number 3. What you can do with this also is you can organize your essential oils by color or alphabetically, or just whatever makes sense to you. So here's an example of organizing them by color. Kind of sort of organized by color. Can't see the back very well, but it's like purples and reds and pinks. They are alphabetically organized from left to right. Carrot seed, citronella, dragon thyme, Egyptian gold, eucalyptus radiata, geranium. We got joy, juniper, lavender, lemon. Tip number 4, essential oils on the go. I don't have a little to-go case, but they do sell it, and I'm thinking about ordering one soon. It's a little to-go case that has, you know, little sections for your oils, so they're not just loose in a bag. If you do take them on the go loose in a bag, which I have done many, many times, just make sure the cap is really tight. Yeah, you can take things on the go, like you can take citronella if you're going outside and you don't want to become a mosquito snack. You can take Valor if you're having a test or something. You can take Valor. If you need to like stay awake during a long drive, you can take some peppermint or spearmint on the go to help keep you alert. If you're going to the gym and your muscles are gonna need a little bit of love afterwards, take some eucalyptus with you. I've seen lots of other creative ways of organizing essential oils. Like some people make their own shelves out of really creative things. So I hope this video has been super helpful to you guys with essential oil organization. And if you have any additional tips that you'd like to share with everyone about how you organize your essential oils, please post that in the comments below. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you'd like to see more videos like this about essential oils in your life and essential oil tips, please subscribe, because that would really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Is this what you're looking for?
Okay.
I don't know if I did that.